Morning, folks, on this Saturday. So as you can see, rain has settled in a little bit this morning. Everything is good and wet. We're going to get this laid. We've got a stone walk path here. We've got some Tennessee field stack. We can walk you over here and I can show you some of this stuff. Come see this field stack here. Some really good stuff, pretty well flat. Stuff's anywhere from an inch to 2 inches thick. You can see right there, right at, according to my finger, 1 3/4 inches or so. Some people pieces of various sizes. But we're going to get this laid. We're going to set up the camera and let y'all guys watch this as we get this stuff laid. Hopefully the rain will hold off. We can get some mortar in here and get this stuff jointed, get some fines in here like it needs to be. So stay tuned, guys, and just follow along. All right, folks, so we're waiting on the rain. It's coming and going. You know, we got to do some mortar up under these stones, but it's not really being our day. We've been, you know, so booked up and stuff that this is one of those that hasn't necessarily been at the back of the list, but we just been waiting on some good dry days. But as you folks can see, as we showed you a second ago, here's you a little bit slow down of this. Gotten quite a bit of stone in here. Like I said, it doesn't take this long to lay this stuff. You know, you just got to be consistent. Like I said, this is probably taking about 45 or so minutes to lay these stone in here. Like I said, these are just laid in for the rough. These are not permanently tied down. As you can see, we didn't go all the way up to this because we are going to box this out and make a concrete pad here for this customer. The stones will all butt up to here, and then of course meat and everything will just flow. We've still got to fill in all the gaps and stuff, and then put our either you can use polymeric sand for this stuff to use as your grout. You can use a mortar dust. There's a sand compound, whatever you want to do. But folks, this is just a rough part of what we do here. Like I said, we do all kinds of landscaping stuff, so feel free to reach out to us. Like I said, so stay tuned for more into this clip and stuff. If we can just wait on the rain, you can obviously see the clouds of, you know, they don't look all that great. But as you've seen on other videos, as the other landscaping job that we done, we had to do the mulch bed and stuff. You'll see that rain doesn't really stop us. But you know, laying concrete and stuff, it usually you know, we prefer a drier day, but if we have to do it in a little bit of a wet day, then, you know, so be it. We just got to do what we got to do to get the job finished and do it right. So just stay tuned, guys, and look for more, and we'll just continue the video and get this done. All right, guys, so got a little bit of video, but kind of pushed for rain and stuff like that. As you can see right now, it's raining on us. I'm gonna give you a little preview right here. Got the white marble in here. It's not 100% yet. We still got, you can see, got to do some of that. We've got a pressure wash, put a clear coat on the wall, fix a few of the drain issues. As you can see, the white marble is in. This corrugated is coming out. It's not going to stay there. Got the boulder in. So you can see, got that little spot in over here as well. Still got a few imperfections we got to fix. So guys, that's it for this day. We'll be back this following week to finish up the final touches and stuff, get more video footage on that. So just stay tuned, guys.